Good afternoon, class 7th students. Today we will start computer class. The textbooks of computer is snapshot. Now we will start first chapter of computer, that is number system. In ancient times, people used to count with the help of stones, pebbles, finger, sticks, etc. You know very well that in ancient time, people used stones, pebbles. What is pebbles? Small stone, fingers, stick, bones to count. There was no organized number of count system of counting, and these method had various limitations. But see class, in ancient time there is no proper method of counting, no proper system of counting, and these methods are having various limitations. Limitation means restrictions. With the course of time, several counting systems were developed. Now, as the time passes, several counting systems were developed. These include decimal number system. Now, different number systems have developed after long time. That is, first is decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. Now, class, we will study each number system one by one. First of all is the decimal number system. It is the most common number system class which we all use very frequently. The decimal number systems come to use as the need for counting emerged. As the need of counting emerged, the decimal number system is used for counting. In this system, 10 digits are used, which are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, this number system, decimal number system, consists of 10 digits, that is 0 to 9. All arithmetic operations are performed using these numbers. All the arithmetic operations are performed using these numbers. There are 10 digits in number system. As I have told you, there are 10 digits in decimal system as written above, and the base is 10. These numbers can be used individually or in a combination forming larger number. These numbers are used individually and in combination with other. How? 18. How is 18 written? 1, 8. 270. How it is written? 270. 9897. 9897. It is written as 9897. 54.09. 36.72, etc. The value of each digit in a decimal number depends on the following. The value of each digit in this depends on the following. First of all is the face value of the digits. Position of that digit in a number. And secondly, what is the position of that digit in a number. You have learned this thing in your mathematics also. Face value, place value, expanded form. Let us take an example of 7 to 9 and understand it in the power of its base. See, 7 to 9. It can be written as 9 into 10 to the power 0. It means it will be 9. 2 multiply 10 to the power 1. That is 2 into 10, 20. 7 multiply by 10 to the power 2. You know power system. You have studied in mathematics. 10 की power 2 means 10 into 10. It will give you 700. When you will add this, you will get 7 to 9. I repeat, you have studied this concept in your basic classes as a part of expanded form. Now, observations. As we move from right to left in the number system, the position value of each digit increases by 10 folds. You are seeing, as we are moving from right to left, the power of 10 increased by 1. Here it is 10 to the power 0. Here it is 10 to the power 1. Here it is 10 to the power 2. So it is increasing 0, 1, 2. In the above mentioned examples, the face value of digits are 7, 2 and 9. What is face value? Here the face value of 7 is 7. Here the face value of 2 is 2. And here in the face value of 9 is 9. And the respected place values are, and what are the place value? Ones, tens, 100. 100, tens and ones. The place value depends on the position of the digit in the number. Now we will keep our class up to here. Thanks a lot.